So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover validate data in Google Sheets. So first of all, click on Start Lab and do one thing, just come to task number 1. From here, just right click and open incognito window. Now from here, click on Sign In. Now enter the details as per the lab instructions. I understand. Now from here, we have to click on Make a Copy. Click on this file and just click on Make a Copy. Now copy has been successfully generated. Now from here, just remove this unwanted pop-up by clicking on Got It. From here, what we need to do, we have to just click on View. Freeze one row. So we have successfully freezed the one row. Okay, now we have to sort using the A to Z sheet. So here is number of items. Now simply click on Data. And from here we have to sort A to Z. They have mentioned A to Z. Now in the next step, we have to just create a new sheet. For that, just click on this plus icon. Right click over here, means click over here, click on rename. And for the name, just copy the name from here carefully. Okay, again, rename it. Click on anywhere in the shell. Now copy this formula, copy it carefully and just come over here, paste it. And once all these data are loaded, okay, we have to just sort it. So just stay tuned. Okay, so now we have to come to the lab instructions and try to check the score. So we got the score. Now from here we have to create a filter for task number 2. Let's come to the sheet again. Okay, from here we have to click on item sheet, click on anywhere else. Now what we need to do, we have to just go to data, create a filter. Okay, so here we have to click on it, click on data, remove filter and then just create a filter. Now from here we have to simply remove this cinnamon bun. Click on OK and just select anywhere else. Now try to check the score. So you can see we easily got the score for this task also. Now for next task, okay, we have to select A1 shell. Now once it is added, okay, wait a second, click on this A. From here, just go to data and create a filter view. Now dismiss and from here just remove the cinnamon bun. Now just click on OK and simply save the view. You can write any name. So view has been saved. Now let's check the score. So now for the next task, in the description box of this video I've shared one file. First of all, let's delete the view. Now here you have to simply download it to your local system. Once the file is downloaded, click on File, Import, Upload and simply drag and drop. Or you can just browse and just download from the file where you have downloaded, in which folder or drive. Now simply replace the spreadsheet and import the data. Now once it is importing, come back again and simply check the score for each and every task. So this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.